Here we come to the blue section of the underground, where I found a very creepy elevator at the end of this huge hallway. That's a private building. This is public. So you go up these stairs. Into this very creepy looking parking garage. Look at this place. This is kind of insane. Anyways, here's the elevator. Let's take a ride. It's a US elevator. It's my first one with these fixtures ever. Wow, it's already trying to leave. Okay. I did not push any buttons. US. Oh, it just levels at 2. All right, let's go up to 5 or 4, whatever it's called. Here we are at 5. Whoa! The bumper does not work. And we are immediately leveling back on 2. No buttons have been pressed. Okay, let's go down to 1. And the elevator's moving again. Here we are at 1. Here we go up to 4. And the door closes immediately. Here we are down at 1. There we go. I'm not going to push a single button. Look at how far away I am from the car panel. Here we are at 2, which is where I want to get off. This is the street level. Door open. Look at this. Very, very sketchy elevator. There it goes. And that's it.